Okay, the student tool that I chose was Diigo. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but that's how I've always pronounced it. So in order to use it, you do have to install an extension and you will need an account, but it is free. So once you install the extension, it'll show up in your extensions up there. But so I just picked a random topic here to kind of show you how it works. So I would just go in here and click on my extension, and then it gives me the options of different things I can do. I can save the bookmark, so I can bookmark this page. I can read and annotate. I can annotate a PDF, or I can annotate a screenshot. So I'm going to click Read and Annotate. So it'll bring up the article, and with some directions, I'm going to skip that for now. And so then you can just, if I really like this paragraph, I can highlight it. I can pick a different color for my highlighting. We'll just go with yellow. If I click on it again, I can add a little note, like a Post-it to it or something. You can save that, so then it'll put a little note there that you liked that part. And then maybe if, this is something a little bit different, I can highlight it in green, so I know that I want to know it, but it doesn't really go with the yellow. You can also click these little bars up here, and it puts in a nice little list everything that I have highlighted so far and the note that I put with it. And then once I'm finished, I can just X out of that, and when I go back to the actual website, it still keeps my highlighting, it keeps my little notes in the article. You also, once you log into your account, can go to your library, and here's my Mount Everest stuff. So now it has come in here. I can add a tag to this, so maybe I'm researching mountains, so I could add a mountain tag. So I want to put mountains on there. So then it would be a tag in my tags, so everything that I find about mountains, I can tag with that, and they'll all be together. You can also click these three little dots. You can get a shareable link to share this with people. You can share it to your group. You can add it to an outline. You can email it. You can do all sorts of stuff with your information once you've collected it. So I used this a lot when I was getting my master's, so I have a lot of random education stuff in here. But so here's my outliners, so like education tools. I collected a bunch of different websites with notes about what those education tools are and what they can do. So students can collect all their mountain websites, and they could have little blurbs about what they're for. You can also be put into groups. So if the students are in a group together, they can then share all of their research. Sorry, this takes a second. Within their group, they can put comments on it. So it tells this was shared by this person and when it was shared, and so then they can collaborate with each other through this source as well.